it's Sabrina WYD, and I'm so excited for today's video. So last weekend I was out and I bought this whole entire bucket of like movie posters, and once I got home I was gonna like dig into them because you know who wouldn't, but then I was like, you know what, it would be so cool to like see my reactions because I don't know some of these movies. Like each one, some of them are blank, but most of them has like what they are written on it, and I don't know some of these, but you know, if they look cool, might as well watch the movie. And I kind of want to see what I could do with them. Maybe y'all get to have them. So this is a mystery haul movie poster. Ain't nobody done that yet, huh? I'm just gonna pick Jack Nicholson. That's actually pretty dope. On video cassette. This is straight vintage. That's like the Nike font. March 30th to a theater near you. Jakes. Was it? Oh, the two Jakes. I thought it said that Woj. Alright, this one. Yeah, all of these just fell on my floor, so it shuffled, I guess. Harrison Ford and Witness. This is actually pretty dope. I low-key like this one. Little City. A movie I wouldn't watch. But then again, am I judging a book by its cover? I mean, I don't. Wow. Would you look at that cast? Deep Rising. A slick, entertaining action film. Why were action films in like the 90s and 2000s so like lame? This is Talk of Angels. It looks like the Titanic, but like this little house picture and the flowers and stuff, that's really nice. I'm allergic to dust, bro. Air Bud. We know this one, right, y'all? And it's on like a big ass VHS. 10 out of 10 for Air Bud. Hobo Whisper. I don't know. Don't know what. The Horse Whisperer. I like when they look like this. Like a real movie. Like the black and the white letters. And I thought this said the Boondocks, but it's the Borrowers. The second Jungle Book. Wait a minute. The first? Who is this? Who is this man? It's kind of cool. Addams Family Reunion. I like the blue and the green and the contrast with the black. It's actually pretty cool how they set this up. Like, you know what it is? The Addams Family. Oh, this one's Inside Out. Wait a minute. It's two-sided. Is that Akira? This looks like Akira. The other side is... Ooh. A Brilliant Disguise. This one's cool. That's cool. Serial Mom. Cereal with an S. Okay, this is pretty fire. Is that Shaggy in the middle? Whoa. The fear. I got some fear. It's a little too close. God's muse must be crazy too. There was a God must be crazy one. What the hell? Is that Nelson Mandela? What the hell? Makes you wonder, who's that man? Why is he smiling? Is he God? Is he going crazy? Is he going stupid? Soccer dog. Is it gonna top Air Bud? He's a goal crazy mutt with some winning moves, and he's on his way to the championship. I don't recall this because probably it didn't go very far. This does not top Air Bud. It probably came out the same time as Air Bud, or after, because it wanted to be a better Air Bud, but he played basketball, like, where you have to shoot. Soccer, like, don't dogs always play soccer, basically? Like, it's easy to, he's not being, like, aerodynamic. The babysitter. Oh! First off, it goes this way, and that's cool. Second off, as if, I love this. Okay, this is like a 10. This is a 10 right here. Even though it's just her headshots, like, that is, I like it. Woo! Jada, why you do that? Why is she doing this? Woo! Woo! Who? Her. Like, her makeup and her hair looks good. Her outfit, don't know about that one. Prefontaine? I like this. This is cool. This is cool. Alice. I like this. I like this. I like this. It speaks a lot. Her earrings and hat. She's looking right. Is she looking right? She's looking left. Showgirls. This is pretty cool. I like how they just made her like a line. Trancers 2. Okay, first off, like, I like their clothes. And the dude in the middle is cool. And these are, it's actually painted. Like, this isn't a picture. So you just saw a few of the posters that I had in that whole bin, because it was so many that the video was an hour long. So there's just a few. I'm gonna upload every single one of them, even the ones you didn't see, and they're gonna be up for sale on anotherdecade.com. I'm gonna get those posters up before Black Friday so then they could go on sale, because what am I gonna do with 60 posters? And sorry about this video being so delayed. I accidentally deleted it when it was complete. So I had to edit that hour-long video all over again. But I did it for y'all. I wanted it to get done. I didn't want to record something else. I really wanted to get those posters out and show y'all what I had. But here, we got the 50s of the week. So you could see this week's theme, stripes. These been chilling and they're ready to go. Thanks for watching.